Make money online. Real opportunities for beginners. The internet has opened up incredible ways to earn money, and the best part? You can do it from anywhere, whether you're at home, in a cafe, or even on the go. The flexibility and accessibility of online opportunities mean that anyone can get started, regardless of their background or experience level. You don't need to be a tech whiz to get started. With a bit of guidance and the right resources, you can navigate the online world with ease. There are countless tutorials, forums, and communities ready to help you every step of the way. Whether you're a student looking for side income, someone wanting to be their own boss, or just seeking extra cash, online opportunities are abundant. From freelancing to selling products, the internet offers a plethora of ways to monetize your skills and passions. Forget get-rich-quick schemes. This guide focuses on proven methods that reward hard work and dedication. It's about building a sustainable income stream that grows over time, not overnight miracles. We'll show you how to set realistic goals and achieve them step by step. We'll explore freelancing, dropshipping, and affiliate marketing, breaking them down into easy-to-understand steps. Each of these methods has its own unique advantages and can be tailored to fit your lifestyle and interests. Think of this as your roadmap to navigating the world of online income. We'll guide you through the initial setup, the tools you'll need, and the best practices to ensure your success. It's all about taking informed steps and making smart decisions. We'll provide real-life examples and success stories, showing you that it's not just a distant dream. It's achievable with the right approach. These stories will inspire you and give you a clear picture of what's possible. Remember, every online entrepreneur started somewhere. They faced challenges, learned from their mistakes, and kept pushing forward. Their journeys are a testament to the power of perseverance and the endless possibilities the internet offers. What matters most is taking that first step. It's the beginning of your journey towards financial independence and personal fulfillment. Don't be afraid to start small and gradually build your way up. So, let's dive in and explore how you can start building your own online income stream. With determination, the right guidance, and a willingness to learn, you can turn your online endeavors into a rewarding and profitable venture. Ready to get started? Click the links below in the description for more resources and step-by-step guides. Let's make your online income dreams a reality. Freelancing is all about offering your skills and services to clients online. The beauty of freelancing lies in its flexibility. You choose your projects, set your rates, and work from anywhere with an internet connection. Are you a wordsmith, a coding guru, or a graphic design pro? Freelancing platforms are teeming with clients seeking these skills and more. From writing blog posts and creating logos to managing social media accounts and building websites, the possibilities are endless. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients worldwide. The key is to identify your strengths, build a strong portfolio showcasing your work, and deliver exceptional service. Starting your freelance journey is easier than you might think. With the right approach and mindset, you can turn your skills into a profitable business. First, identify your niche. What are you good at, and what services are in demand? This step is crucial because it helps you focus your efforts and stand out in a crowded market. Once you've chosen your area of focus, create profiles on popular freelance platforms. These platforms are where clients go to find freelancers, so having a presence there is essential. Highlight your skills, experience, even if it's just personal projects, and set competitive rates. Make sure your profile is detailed and professional, as this is your first impression on potential clients. Your portfolio is your digital storefront. Make it shine. Include a variety of work samples that demonstrate your range and expertise. Include your best work samples that showcase your abilities to potential clients. The more impressive your portfolio, the more likely you are to attract high-quality clients. When starting, consider offering competitive rates to attract clients and build your reputation. This strategy can help you get your foot in the door and start building a client base. As you gain experience and positive reviews, you can gradually increase your rates. Positive feedback from clients is invaluable and can significantly boost your credibility. Remember, clear communication, meeting deadlines, and exceeding client expectations are crucial for building a successful freelance career. Consistency and professionalism will set you apart from the competition and lead to long-term success. Imagine running an online store without the hassle of inventory, packaging, or shipping. That's the beauty of dropshipping. This business model allows you to sell products online without ever physically handling them. You partner with a dropshipping supplier who stores the products, handles orders, and ships them directly to your customers. Your focus is on marketing and customer service. You create an attractive online store, list products from your chosen supplier, and drive traffic to your site. When a customer makes a purchase, you forward the order details to the supplier, who then handles the rest. Your profit is the difference between your selling price and the supplier's wholesale price. Section 5. Building your dropshipping empire, platform products and promotion. Starting a dropshipping business is more accessible than ever. Platforms like Shopify provide user-friendly tools to create your online store without any coding knowledge. Next comes product selection. Thorough market research is key to identifying trending and profitable products. Consider factors like competition, profit margins, and shipping costs. Once you have your products, effective marketing is crucial. Leverage social media, paid advertising, and search engine optimization, or SEO, to drive traffic to your store and generate sales. Remember, building a successful dropshipping business takes time and effort, but with the right approach, it can be a lucrative online venture. Section 6. Affiliate marketing. Earn by recommending what you love. Are you passionate about technology, fashion, or travel? Affiliate marketing lets you earn money by recommending products or services you genuinely believe in. It's all about partnering with brands and promoting their offerings to your audience. You earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its scalability. You can start by promoting products on your blog, social media, or YouTube channel. As your audience grows, so does your earning potential. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate offer a wide range of products and services to promote. Section 7. Becoming a successful affiliate marketer. Finding your niche and audience. The key to affiliate marketing success lies in choosing the right niche. This means identifying a specific segment of the market that you are genuinely interested in and have some knowledge about. It's not just about picking a popular category, but finding something that aligns with your passions and expertise. Focus on areas you're passionate about and where you can provide valuable insights to your audience. When you are genuinely interested in a topic, it shows in your content and helps you connect more deeply with your audience. This connection is crucial for building a loyal following. Building trust is paramount. Authentically recommending products you believe in will resonate with your audience and lead to higher conversion rates. People can tell when you are being genuine, and this authenticity fosters trust and loyalty. Create high-quality content that provides value to your audience, whether it's through product reviews, tutorials, or comparison guides. High-quality content not only attracts viewers but also keeps them coming back for more. It establishes you as an authority in your niche. Engage with your followers, answer their questions, and build a community around your niche. Interaction is key to understanding your audience's needs and preferences, which in turn helps you create more targeted and effective content. Remember, patience and consistency are key in affiliate marketing. Success doesn't happen overnight. It requires a sustained effort and a willingness to learn and adapt over time. It takes time to build an audience and see significant results. Monitor your progress, celebrate small victories, and keep refining your approach. With dedication and persistence, you can achieve your affiliate marketing goals. Section 8. Avoiding scams and staying motivated, keys to online success. The online world, while full of opportunities, also has its share of scams. Be wary of get-rich-quick schemes that promise unrealistic earnings with minimal effort. Thoroughly research any opportunity before investing your time or money. Look for genuine reviews and testimonials from reputable sources. Remember, legitimate online money-making methods require effort and dedication. Don't be discouraged by setbacks, they're part of the journey. Surround yourself with a supportive community, whether it's online forums or fellow entrepreneurs. Celebrate your achievements no matter how small, and keep learning and adapting to the ever-evolving online landscape. Section 9. Your online money-making journey starts today. Taking that first step is often the hardest, but remember, every online entrepreneur started somewhere. Choose the method that resonates most with you, whether it's freelancing, dropshipping, or affiliate marketing. Invest time in learning the ropes, developing your skills, and building your online presence. Embrace the challenges and celebrate the victories along the way. The online world is yours to explore. Start building your online income stream today. Hey there, ready to start your online money-making journey? Click the links below in the description and let's get started.